Hi, Phil here with Diode Dynamics to take a look at our exclusive new Pro Series RGBW Demon Eyes. We've redesigned these parts from the ground up for higher performance and better reliability thanks to our metal core PCB and improved cooling. These parts are universal and can be mounted in any standard projector style headlight and do ship with mini H1 brackets for ease of installation. We'll go ahead and jump in and show you how easy it is to get these mounted up to an H1 style projector using the supplied hardware. Now, as I mentioned, we'll be installing this in a mini H1 style projector, so I'm going to go ahead and use the included brackets. When you open that bag, you'll notice that there's going to be a selection of nuts as well as screws. You'll notice that two of them are going to be larger, which will actually mount to the outsides of the bracket, and the smaller one will be for mounting the Demon Eye to the bracket itself. We're going to go ahead and get started with that by simply putting the bracket on. Feeding the screw in. And go ahead and thread the nylon nut onto the screw itself. Once you have this started, you can go ahead and use a 1/4 inch wrench and your Phillips head screwdriver to tighten it the rest of the way back down. Once you have your Demon Eye secured, we can move on to mounting it onto the projector itself. With our Demon Eye secured to the bracket, we're going to go ahead and feed this into the housing itself. Simply run this into the projector and line up the holes on the projector itself with the bracket. And then once again, go ahead and feed your screws in and thread on your locking nuts. I'm going to use a 5/16 wrench on this one. Once you have a bracket installed, we're moving on to the driver. With your bracket secured to your projector, we'll go ahead and connect our Demon Eye to our driver. This is very important that the Demon Eye does not get connected directly to your controller. Make sure your driver is always in place. Go ahead and snap these guys together. And then we can move on to the connections for the driver itself. We've made a couple of changes to this, again, to improve the reliability. First and foremost is going to be your ground connection. That's this black wire. This will need to be connected to any stable chassis ground or anything that you're using to power the system. This will need to be in place or the Demon Eye will not function. So please make sure that that's taken care of. The blue wire is going to be your new cutoff. This will shut the Demon Eye off whenever 12 volts is added to this blue wire. Generally, we'd recommend the low beam to be used for this to prolong the life of your Demon Eye to make sure your LEDs do not overheat and ultimately fail. Once you've actually taken care of both of these connectors, you can plug your driver directly into your Bluetooth RGBW controller to get your Demon Eye up and running. With your Pro Series RGBW Demon Eyes installed, you'll have access to millions of colors, including a true white to truly set your ride apart from the crowd with a unique appearance. For more information on this product, visit us at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.